Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch, and today I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this device. So let's get started. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, look for something you like, and once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it to select it and apply it like this. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the Hama Fit Move application to change the watch faces. And to do that, we need to grab our phone, zoom out the camera so you can see this whole screen of the phone, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Hama Fit Move application. Let me actually unlock the screen like this. Okay, and once you open the app, you can tap on device. Here you should see your Smartwatch 7020, and under it you will see the watch face market. You can tap on more. Here you can download additional watch faces, so if you want to see something else, you can download more watch faces. For some reason it doesn't want to load. Interesting. Let me reopen the application. Maybe that will help. It's still loading, so let's continue. Basically, here you can download additional watch faces. For some reason, it's not loaded anymore. But you can also manage the watch faces already installed on your watch. Oh, the store loaded. And to manage the watch faces, you simply tap on Manage Watch Faces. Now, let's say you want this watch face to be applied. You tap on it, tap on Set as Current Watch Face, and the watch face will be applied. And if you want to download additional watch faces, once the watch face market loads, you can simply tap on the watch face you like, and then tap on Install. Wait until it's done installing. And once it's done installing, it will be applied, and also it will appear right here on the list of managed watch faces, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.